Can-Am Ryker 2025. Easy to ride, fun to ride. Delivering the perfect combination of style, performance, and an exhilarating ride. The CVT automatic, stable design makes for a super easy ride, with the option of a 600cc or 900c Rotax engine. Eco mode saves fuel, while Sport mode 900cc is ready for exciting drifting. Compact, easy to park, equipped with a 1.85-gallon cargo compartment with USB port. Want to conquer the terrain? Choose the Ryker Rally, $14,500 with XPS Rally tires and Rally mode. Want to travel in comfort? Ryker Sport, $12,500, upgrades the suspension, cruise control, and max mount cargo rack. Freedom, flexibility, and breakthrough every journey. That's the Can-Am Ryker. Toyota iRoad. Compact, agile, urban breakthrough. An ultra-compact electric three-wheeler measuring just 92.3 inches long, 34.25 inches wide, and weighing 660 pounds, it's perfect for narrow streets. The most unique feature is the automatic tilt system, which makes the bike turn smoothly like a motorcycle, while being both agile and stable. The two electric wheel motors give it a top speed of 37 mph and a range of 31 miles, enough for short trips in the city. Despite its simplicity, the cockpit is modern with transparent plastic doors for increased visibility. No air conditioning, no frills. But the iRoad offers an exciting driving experience and is a bold step forward for the future of urban transportation. The Carver One combines the stability of a car with the lean of a motorcycle, thanks to a cockpit that tilts into corners, while the rear wheels keep the car balanced. The car is equipped with a 0.6L Daihatsu turbo engine, 68 horsepower, acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in 8 seconds, top speed 115 mph. The super lightweight of 1,550 mounts makes the car agile but still stable. Although the row seat design limits practicality, the original price of $27,500 makes it competitive with the Lotus Elise. Today, the Carver One has become a collector's item, with a value of over $44,000. A unique machine for those who love the feeling of driving with excitement. Vanderhall Venice. Classic style. Modern experience. The Vanderhall Venice is a three-wheeled vehicle with a classic look and an open, roofless, doorless design that offers a great sense of freedom. Equipped with a 1.4L turbo engine with 180 horsepower and 185 kW of torque, the Venice accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.5 seconds. A 6-speed automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a low center of gravity provide excellent stability. Optional Brembo brakes bring the car to a stop from 60 mph in just 85 feet. Starting at $30,000, the Vanderhall Venice is the perfect combination of vintage style and modern performance, making every trip a memorable adventure. Rewaco Trikes, the pinnacle of style and performance. Rewaco Trikes bring the best of German engineering to America, combining power, comfort, and impressive design. Starting at $30,000, these trikes feature a 140 horsepower turbocharged engine, a smooth 7-speed automatic transmission, independent suspension, and a low center of gravity for stability on any road. 300 study visibility for passengers, a convenient rear-view camera, and a design that attracts everyone's attention. With many customizable versions such as ST2 Speed Yellow, Black Line, or GT Panther Black Touring, Rewaco Trikes are more than just a vehicle. They are an exciting experience of freedom on every journey. Yamaha Niken GT, maximum stability, top performance, breaking all limits with leaning multi-wheel technology, helping the two front wheels tilt flexibly, increasing traction and cornering firmly. Equipped with an 890cc CP3 engine, 114 horsepower, 66.9 lb-ft torque, the car brings a powerful and exciting driving feeling. The 7-inch TFT screen integrates Garmin navigation, Bluetooth, cruise control, quick shifter, ensuring a smooth and convenient journey. With a soft seat design, adjustable windshield, optimized rear shock absorbers, and 30L luggage, the Yamaha Niken GT is the perfect choice for riders who are passionate about speed and conquering long distances. Eveons iLark. Smart, convenient, urban electric vehicle. Eveons iLark is the ideal electric vehicle for fast movement in the city. Priced from $5,000 USD, the vehicle is equipped with a 350W Bosch motor, speed up to 15.5 mph, and operating range of 37 miles. The 48V16AH Panasonic lithium battery fully charges in just 4 hours and is easily replaced to extend the range. The folding design, dual shock absorbers, provide smoothness, along with a convenient LED system and display screen. With a load capacity of 265 pounds and hydraulic disc brakes, the iLark is the perfect choice for flexible and safe urban trips. Kymco CV3, the breakthrough of three-wheeled scooters. The Kymco CV3 brings stability, power, and advanced technology in a modern design. The 550cc engine, 51 horsepower, helps the vehicle reach a maximum speed of 150 mph with a fuel consumption of 55 mpg for a range of up to 190 miles. 40-degree tilt system, ABS brakes, stationary assist, and a 6-inch TFT screen with integrated Nudo for easy control and safety on every journey. The Kymco CV3 is not only for scooter enthusiasts, but also the ideal choice for those who want to experience maximum flexibility and convenience. The Morgan Super 3 is the perfect combination of authentic driving experience and unique three-wheel design. Priced from $53,000, it has a 118 horsepower engine, accelerates from 0 to 62 mph in 7 seconds, and reaches a top speed of 130 mph. The lightweight 1,500-pound Suru chassis with aerodynamic design and flexible luggage capability is ideal for long trips. Fuel consumption of 40 mpg and emissions of 130 km/h are both powerful and economical. With a 3-year or 36,000-mile warranty, extendable to 4 years, the Morgan Super 3 is the ideal companion for exciting adventures. Segway SE3 Patroller. Efficient, versatile, and modern patrol. The Segway SE3 Patroller is a dedicated three-wheeled vehicle ideal for security and patrol missions. With a sturdy design, the vehicle can be easily customized with multilingual security logos and symbols. Equipped with high-intensity LED lights, a warning system, and a 12V outlet, the vehicle provides continuous operation. The rear-wheel drive system allows for flexible movement, while convenient storage compartments support the storage of necessary equipment. With charging anywhere technology, the SE3 Patroller ensures effective patrol without interruption, making it an ideal choice for security environments. Car Luxe. sporty, convenient, and stylish tricycle. Car Luxe is a three-wheeled vehicle that combines sport and convenient transportation. With a unique pumping system, the vehicle helps exercise the whole body while moving. Equipped with an electric motor, the vehicle reaches a speed of 25 mph and a range of 25 miles. With a foldable, easy-to-carry design and safety features such as a handbrake and LED lights, the vehicle is suitable for all needs from sports to green transportation. Car Luxe is the ideal choice for those who love convenience and style. Mylo Plus Folding Scooter, a convenient foldable electric tricycle. Priced at $2,300, the Mylo Plus is a compact, versatile, three-wheeled electric scooter that is perfect for commuting, traveling, or everyday use. With just one action, the scooter folds in less than 1 second, making it easy to store in the trunk of a car, RV, or boat. The 500 biped motor, along with the dual battery option, provides a range of up to 15 miles per charge. The three-wheel design provides stability and versatility, making it ideal for short trips. Lightweight, maneuverable, and eco-friendly, the Mylo Plus is the perfect choice for those who want to move quickly, compactly, and conveniently. Elio Motors E1c, economical, innovative, and eco-friendly. At just $7,300, the Elio Motors E1c offers a great fuel-efficient transportation solution with 84 mpg. Equipped with a 0.9L 3-cylinder engine, the E1c easily balances between city driving and maintaining high speeds on the highway. The car has a sturdy frame design and an innovative safety system, providing a stable and safe driving experience. This is a breakthrough in Elio Motors' strategy, providing a modern, economical, and eco-friendly vehicle for the future. Campagna T-Rex, the exciting sports trike. Starting at $69,000, the Campagna T-Rex R offers race-like performance and incredible agility. First introduced in 1988 with F1 inspiration, this bike combines cutting-edge technology with a lightweight design for a truly authentic riding experience. The T-Rex is not only powerful, but can also be customized with your own personal details and colors to create a unique style. With its refined and sporty design, the T-Rex RR gives you an unrivaled driving experience, whether cornering or conquering the streets. This is more than just a bike. It is a statement of performance and style. Doohan iTank, modern and versatile three-wheeled electric scooter. The Doohan iTank combines stylish design, safety, and convenience, suitable for everyday travel. Equipped with premium lithium batteries from LG or Panasonic, the vehicle has a range of 56 miles at a top speed of 28 mph, but weighs only 23 kilograms, making it easy to operate. The intelligent LED lighting system automatically adjusts to the environment, while the three-wheel disc brakes and oil shock absorbers provide a smooth and stable ride. With a load capacity of 340 pounds and a tilt angle of 30 degrees, the iTank is the perfect combination of technology, performance, and style. Can-Am Spyder F3S. Powerful, cutting-edge technology, great experience. A powerful three-wheeler with a bold design for drivers who love speed and comfort. Priced from $20,300, the vehicle is equipped with a 10.225-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay support, modern LED lights, and an optional rear-view camera. Stability control system, 2 front wheels, and electric power steering provide excellent traction, providing a smooth and safe driving experience. The vehicle also has cruise control, reverse gear, and a spacious storage compartment, suitable for long trips. With a powerful engine, 6-cylinder transmission, and Brembo brakes, the Spyder F3S provides an exciting, stable, and comfortable driving experience, ready to help you overcome any challenge on every journey. Aptera Electric Car, Solar Electric Car, the future of green mobility. Aptera Electric is a pioneering three-wheeled electric vehicle that uses solar energy to optimize performance. With an aerodynamic design, the vehicle can travel up to 400 miles on a single charge, many times longer than conventional electric vehicles. Ultra-lightweight yet safe structure, along with a $700 worth solar panel system, helps the vehicle charge itself while moving or parking. The 30.5 by 53 storage compartment is enough for long trips, camping, or daily commuting. Aptera Electric is not just a vehicle, but also a symbol of sustainability and the future of smart mobility. Avvenire Tectus, enclosed electric scooter for all terrains. No license or insurance required. The Avvenire Tectus is a convenient all-weather mobility solution. With a 2,000-watt motor, a top speed of 20 mph, and a range of up to 99 miles, it ensures a stable and comfortable ride. Enclosed design, 385 pounds payload, protects the rider from rain, snow, and wind. Suitable for both urban and rough terrain. Deposit $5,000 to own the future of electric mobility. Etnnic FST Evo, the sporty electric trike for every adventure. Priced at around $6,500, the Etnnic FST Evo offers a great riding experience on any terrain. Full suspension and free tilting enhance stability, while you can lock the tilt for a firmer ride. Equipped with a powerful 95 Nm torque motor and a 760 AV battery, it can travel 75 miles on electric assist alone. The FST Evo is not only powerful, but also offers the perfect combination of performance, comfort, and versatility for the user. Polaris Slingshot Roush, the ultimate sports trike. Priced at $3,850, the Polaris Slingshot Roush Edition is a performance trike that combines speed and style. Powered by a 203 horsepower engine, it delivers a track-ready feel with Brembo brakes, specially slotted rotors, and 1.4-inch rear tires. Every detail is Roush-inspired, from the premium leather seats and custom gauges to the limited edition steering wheel, Sparco components, and tinted indicators. Available with either a manual or automatic transmission, with racing-inspired paddle shifters, the Slingshot Roush delivers a thrilling driving experience that's perfect for those who love performance and luxury.